Good afternoon. I'm Tommy van Skalkwyk. I'm here at the launch of the Cape Town CXO. You can see here behind me a beautiful site of Table Mountain. We are at a very nice venue. Joining Willie here, I've been a member of the CXO since the inception in 2013. It's been a great journey. I think Willie's done a good job of taking it forward, building it out to really a prestigious organization. Yeah, it's always a joyful experience to attend and see what everybody else is doing. You know, you feel like energized after you have completed the sessions, and also looking forward, you know, to many years to come. Yeah, best of luck, Willie.